yet another video of Me's Lifestyle, and this is Kshitij Bhatnagar. So I hope you are here with smiling faces, and I'm seeing you after a week. So that was because I was traveling for the last week, and I've been to very beautiful places. So as of now, I'm at Kanatal or Kanatal in Uttarakhand, and it's somewhere near the Nolti, and it's a really beautiful place, very peaceful, and not much people, not that city noise. So it's a very peaceful place, and I was just sitting here yesterday evening, and I was having my black coffee, and I just kind of thought of something that I should do for you guys, which is the thought of the day series, in which I will be giving you a thought on which you will be think about it for that day, and we'll discuss. I'll discuss with you some points on it, and क्या पता आपके किसी काम आ जाए, क्योंकि for the first thought of the day, okay, before doing all that, let's get the video started. For that, we have to roll the intro.
If you never before,
Someone's gotta change.
you watch Uranus.
Hi. So it's kind of very hot. I didn't, wanted it to be that hot. So with that said, the first thought of the day for the first episode, the first thought of the day then that we're going to discuss today is that love never ages, even if we do, even if you do. And with that, I really want to tell you that if the love that we're talking about here is true love, it never ages. Let me give you an example. Before giving you an example, that's we should know that's the speciality of love, that it really never ages. It allows you to be childish. It allows you to take stupid decisions all the time. It allows you to be stupidly happy with your partner. So that's what love is, and I don't think that ever ages. Even if you are aging, even if you're getting old with that person, and even if it stays incomplete, even if your love stays incomplete, it will never age. So even if be it traveling 1,000 miles, and or maybe shouting at the top of the mountains that how much you love that person, just to hear that echo coming back to you. So true love never ages. It stays right there with you all your life, even if it is incomplete. And yeah, so that's the thought of the day for today. So think about it, that love never ages, even if you do. And if provided that love is really true love, that love is something that you do to your partner with all your everything that you have inside you, and it will never age. It will always and always and always allow you to be happy. It will always and always allow you to be childish and make stupid decisions all the time, and somehow keep you happy all that time. So I think that's what you need for today, and that is the thing that you are gonna focus on for the rest of your day, which is love never ages, even if you do. And I mean it. I'm kind of experiencing that, though I don't have that much of age right now, but whatever. So yeah, I'm somehow experiencing that. I need you to put some thoughts on it, and also let me know if you really like this concept, this segment, the thought of the day series. So I'm trying to post something new every day. So a new thought of the day for you to think upon, for you to put your thoughts to, and something good, something positive, given all the shit that's been going in the world right now. So maybe this will bring you happiness. Maybe this thinking about these things will make you happy. Maybe. So this is just my bit. This is just me trying to, keep you distracted from all the negativity, and this is me trying to keep you happy. So if you really like this concept, if you really like this segment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next Thought of the Day series. Also, with that said, let me tell you, because last week was my birthday and I got very special presents. So I'm gonna do a video about them, probably the next video. But because I'm traveling this much, so I haven't got all my gifts with myself right now. But I will be shooting about it, and I'll let you know what gifts I got this birthday, because each one of them was very special in their own way. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep thinking, is your love really that true that it will never age and will probably stay with you for the rest of your life? And if it will, keep on going, my friend. Ta-da.